This is the Wi-Fi card for the industrial computer. We need to insert it into the M.2 slot at a 45-degree angle, tilt it in, and then secure it with a screw. This is also a 32GB DDR4 memory module. It's installed the same way. Insert it at an angle, then press it down to lock it in place. An industrial computer is designed for industrial environments where it needs to connect to many different devices. That's why it comes with a wide range of interfaces, such as USB, serial ports, and Ethernet ports. Right now, we're installing a serial port and VGA iFunction board, as well as a 5-port iConnect board. This modular Lego mode design makes assembly as easy and fast as building with Lego bricks. What else would you like to know about industrial computers? Let me know in the comments.